What's up, everyone? VFA here, and today I'm showing you how to make real money on TikTok. Enough to cover your rent, ramen, and maybe that new graphics card. We'll break down how to turn viral videos into legit income, from picking the right niche to unlocking TikTok monetization. I've got step-by-step strategies to take you from zero to TikTok hustler, and stick around for a secret tip on getting paid, even if TikTok is banned in your country. Let's dive in. First step, the very first thing you need to do. Pick a profitable niche. Find that sweet spot in the market. Random cat videos won't cut it unless your cat's a genius. You need something more strategic. Advertisers want specific audiences. They're not just throwing money around. So focus on niches with high engagement and brand interest. Look for those passionate communities. Think tech reviews, finance tips, sustainable living, or niche gaming, places where brands spend big. These are the areas where you can really make an impact. Research what's trending and where creators are landing brand deals. Follow the money. The sweet spot, what you love, your passion, what audiences crave, what they're searching for, and what advertisers pay for. That's the magic formula. Get specific. Minecraft speedrunning for beginners beats just gaming. It's all about the details. The more defined your audience, the more valuable you are to brands. They'll be fighting for your attention. Build a loyal community. This is key for long-term growth and cash. It's the foundation of a sustainable business. Brainstorm 10 niches, research engagement and advertiser interest, and pick the one you can own. Dominate that space. This is the foundation of your TikTok empire. Don't skip it. This is the most important step. So you've identified your niche. That's fantastic. Now comes the exciting part. Creating content that truly resonates. Now make content that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. Those initial moments are crucial for capturing a viewer's interest. TikTok rewards watch time. The longer people watch, the more the algorithm favors your content. Good lighting and clear audio are musts. Don't underestimate the power of these basics. Use natural light or a ring light to illuminate your face and subject clearly, and a decent mic. Audio quality can make or break a video, so invest in a good microphone. Trends are great. They offer a fantastic opportunity to reach a wider audience, but always add your unique spin. Don't just copy, innovate and make it your own. Nail your hook. Ask a question to pique curiosity and encourage viewers to engage. Make a bold claim, something that will immediately grab their attention, or show something eye-catching right away. Visual appeal is key in a fast-scrolling environment. Deliver value, entertain, educate, or solve a problem so viewers want more. Give them a reason to keep watching and come back for more. Build real connections, engage with your audience, and respond to their comments, not just views. Focus on fostering a community around your content. Consistency is everything. Post regularly, whether daily or a few times a week. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Plan and batch your content to keep it flowing. This will save you time and ensure a steady stream of content. The algorithm loves active creators, so stick to your schedule. Consistency signals to the algorithm that you're serious. Quality and consistency will set you apart. These are the cornerstones of building a successful TikTok presence. Keep your audience engaged and coming back. Build a loyal following that eagerly awaits your next post. That's how you build a monetizable community. By focusing on quality, consistency, and engagement, you can turn your passion into profit. Time to unlock TikTok's money vault. Here's what you need for the Creator Fund. You'll need at least 10,000 real followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Be 18 plus and in a country where the Creator Fund is available. Keep your account in good standing. No spam, no copyright issues, original content only. Once you qualify, apply through your creator tools. Earnings depend on views, engagement, and following the rules. High engagement = higher payouts. Play by the rules and you're in the game. Don't rely solely just on TikTok's Creator Fund payouts. It's a volatile landscape. The most successful content creators understand this and they diversify their income streams. One great way is to land brand deals. Partner with brands in your niche for sponsored content. This can be a lucrative source of income. Also, use affiliate marketing. Share products you genuinely love with your audience and earn commissions on every sale. Grow your audience on YouTube, building a community there. Expand to Instagram or cultivate a dedicated following with a newsletter for even more monetization options and direct engagement. Link your other platforms prominently in your TikTok bio and actively encourage your followers to check them out and subscribe. Sell your own merch to your fans, create and sell digital products like courses or eBooks, or offer your expertise through services for maximum control over your brand and increased profit margins. Multiple income streams equals more financial security, stability, and ultimately bigger earnings. Set these up now, and you'll definitely thank yourself later as the income starts flowing. That's how you build real, sustainable wealth and long-term success as a creator. Here's the secret for those in banned countries. Use a reliable VPN to access TikTok from an eligible country. Set your VPN before creating your account or applying for monetization, and always use it consistently. You'll need a payment method tied to that country. Services like Payoneer or Wise can help. Research which payment options work with TikTok payouts. Be aware of local laws and TikTok's terms. There are risks involved. This isn't foolproof, but for the determined, it's a possible workaround. For some, this could be the key to getting paid. That's your TikTok money-making playbook, from niche to monetization, diversification, and secret hacks. Now it's your turn. Go create, get paid, and crush it. If you learned something, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Drop your tips or success stories in the comments. I want to hear from you. Go get that bag, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.